Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Jomar unboxing. I'll link my Jomar playlist down below. I have received 5 or 6 boxes from them recently. I have this box and then I have another box coming in the mail. Just being real, almost every box that I have purchased from them recently, there's been an issue, but I continue to purchase from them because they have rectified the issue. They have given me store credits. My battery light's flashing. Gosh, hold on. So I feel like the issue with Jomar is that they need like better, I don't know, maybe like quality control. I've seen like videos and pictures from their warehouse and it looks like they get a shit ton of stuff. They just need to figure out how to maybe organize it better, or, you know, when they're doing the packing process, just have better quality control, I guess. I don't know. Who am I to say that? I don't know. That's just my suggestion. So like I said, they gave me store credit and I ordered another Nike box. This is, hold on. It's a 15-piece men's and women's Nike box. One thing I want to note. Okay, so one of my previous boxes, I ordered, it was an Adidas box. That video will hopefully be up by the time this video is up. But yeah, it was an Adidas box. It says women's pre-loved Adidas box, and I got it and opened it. 6 or 7 of the things, no, I think it was 7 of the things were men's. And I was like, what the hell? So I reached out to them and they showed me in their fine print that it says, even if you order a gender specific box, you still might get something that is not of that gender. So if you order a women's box, you could get men's stuff, you could get kids stuff too, which is annoying. Like, I feel like quality control would, you know, you'd be able to get those specific boxes, you know, without those mistakes thrown in there. But they gave me a store credit because they said that if that happens, it's not supposed to be like half the box. And in my case, it was. So yeah, this is men's and women's. I should just get men's and women's, but I could get kids. Their fine print says, you know, you could get something else. All right, let's just open this. Here we go. First thing is this skirt. It's a dry fit skirt or skort. Is it a skort? It's a skort. It's a skort. Size large. Cute. Pants. Some pants. Size medium. These are just track pants. Look like that. Not too excited about these guys. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. I've never seen a Nike tag like this though. So these are size large. Look at the large tag. Have you guys ever seen a Nike tag like that? I hope these are real. They're really cute. But yeah, they're size large and they're just purple joggers. I don't know if these are men's or women's. The tag that says the style number or whatever is ripped out, so I don't know. I'll have to look them up. There's a little pocket there. These are cute though. I hope they're real. Like I said, I've never seen a Nike tag like that, like the size. So we've got some, this is what I mean. This is for sure kids, like little girls. Size extra large dry fit shorts. There's no way that is an adult extra large. That is for sure little girls extra large. Okay, we'll put a tally on the screen. Kids thing or shit that doesn't belong, 1. This has got to be boys. This is a Nike dry fit. Yeah, this is for sure boys. Dry fit polo shirt, size extra large. That is not a women's extra large. That's not a men's. That's a boys extra large. Okay, I'm just gonna double check. Yep, it says men's and women's pre-loved. All right, so we've got 2 for kids. A tank top, medium. Cute. What is this little pocket for? Like a key? Like, what would you put in there? Wouldn't that be like irritating? Like right here, if you had like a key all up in here while you're trying to work out or do whatever you're doing in this. All right, this is cute. Some sweats. These are size medium. These are definitely men's. These are nice. These are like cozy, loungy. Perfect for today, actually. Today is such a shitty day. This is also kids. Yeah, this is like little girls. It belongs to C. Bragg and it has their phone number on here. Size large. There's no way that's a women's large. No way. Just a little skirt. All right, kids. 3. Okay, we've got some Nike golf pants. These are men's, size 34. Okay. I like the color. Some shorts I might be keeping. These are size medium. Really cute. Cute, cute, cute. What are you? This is just a base layer beat to hell shirt, size extra large. Men's like beat to hell. Yeah, this is like dingy. I'm probably just gonna maybe toss this, honestly. I don't think I'd redonate it. So this is a size large. It says you can run, but you can't hide. This is cool. This is made of like, this is like sewn on like t-shirt material. Like it's like raised. This is cool. Okay, yeah, that's definitely men's large. We've got a jacket, size medium. I would say that's men's. Yes, we have the matching top to the purple bottoms. Again, there's that size tag, guys. I don't know. Are there any Nike experts out there that are watching this? I don't know. It seems a little sus, And these pockets are kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know. This is what it looks like. It matches the purple pant. Last thing, what is this? This is a size large. This is Nike International. Nike. I don't know what that says on the bottom. But this is cool. It's got like a windbreaker material on the inside. Is it all the way inside? No, just the hood. And like on the bottom, hold on, hold it up better. There we go. On the bottom, and then it says Nike International on the back here. Okay. I don't know what that means. Is that Nike in a different language? Okay, so definitely got 15 things. 3 of them were kids. It's frustrating. I think my next order from them, I'm going to branch out and try a different box, like something new, I guess. I don't know. If you are interested in purchasing from Jomar, I will have a link down below. You will get a percentage off if you use my link. If you do purchase from them, just know it's a gamble, it's a risk. You know, you don't know what you're going to get, so just be prepared for that, I guess. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.